On a bright and sunny day, 4 friends decided to spend their day at the beach. They were Ranita the frog, Tommy the turtle, Mandy the mermaid, Benny the crab.
Good morning, everyone. Who's ready for a fun beach day?
I am. I love the beach. Me too. Let's play in the water.
And build sandcastles.
Don't forget the beach games.
First, the friends decided to build a big sandcastle.
And make a moat around it.
With everyone's help, the sandcastle turned out magnificent, complete with towers, a moat, and shell decorations.
Look at our beautiful sandcastle. Great job, everyone.
Next, the friends decided to play beach games. They played a fun game of beach ball.
Catch, Sandy!
Got it. Here it comes, Benny.
This is so much fun.
Let's play tag in the water next.
The friends played water tag, splashing and laughing as they ran through the shallow waves. After all the fun and games, it was time for a snack. They gathered under a big, colorful umbrella and shared a picnic.
Yum! These fruits are delicious.
I love beach picnics.
Me too. This is the best day ever. I agree. We should have a beach day every week.
As the sun began to set, the friends watched the beautiful sunset together, feeling happy and content.
I can't wait to come back.
Me too. Let's make more beach memories.
See you all next time.
With happy hearts and big smiles, the friends headed home, excited for their next beach day adventure. Goodbye, friends, until our next adventure. And remember, stay curious and stay adventurous.